Molly, as you know, control of the Senate hinges on Georgia now with those two runoff races coming up in January. President Trump says he will be campaigning for the Republican candidates there. Biden, of course, won Georgia this year, big win for a Democratic presidential candidate, and his campaign says that he too will stump there for the Democratic candidates. What are you watching for in Georgia?
Well, this would be a fascinating race, even if you took the presidential candidates out of the picture, right? Georgia is sort of our most newly minted swing state, and it's undergone this fascinating transformation. You have the candidates sort of represent this division of the suburban voters who are increasingly liberal, and the black vote that has been increasingly mobilized versus the state's sort of Republican history. But then you have the Trump factor sort of cannonballing into the pool as he tends to do, and the fact that he continues to insist that he actually won this state that he lost has really complicated Republicans' efforts to campaign in the state. You had the chair of the Republican National Committee going to Georgia yesterday, and people saying to her things like, why should we vote in this runoff? Right? We know that the original election was rigged, so that really makes it harder.
Lots to watch there. That's Molly Ball, national political correspondent from Time Magazine. Thanks, Molly.
Thank you.
This is traditionally one of the busiest travel weekends. That's a little different this year, but not as different as our public health professionals had hoped. The Transportation Security Administration says it screened more than 1 million people at airports across the U.S. the day before Thanksgiving, a record level of travel since mid-March. And that's after the CDC urged us all to stay home for the holiday as COVID-19 cases rise. Now, as those travelers make their way home, they'll be passing by countless sanitation workers, security guards, retail and restaurant employees at America's airports.
Right now, a bit busy because we make sure the planes get clean and be safe for people to travel on time.
Andre Cooper cleans and conducts security checks in airplane cabins at Newark Liberty International Airport in New Jersey. He's been working the night shift this past week, 9 p.m. to 7 a.m.
I vacuum, make sure that the laboratories are clean. And also I spray plane too. I gotta make sure that the plane is sprayed, make sure there's no mark. I gotta make sure I spray it like that.
He was laid off when the pandemic first hit and air travel ceased. But even now, back on the job, he says he can't afford the $200 or $300 a month that health insurance would cost. So he tries to do what he can to stay healthy.
I just gotta, pray and trust God. I'm gonna be safe. I gotta do what I gotta do. Because I gotta protect myself, wear my mask, wear my gloves.
But Andre Cooper says the growing crowds of travelers, some with no masks, make him scared to go to work.
I'm sorry, I'm doing it for the job because I'm doing a job to make sure that the addresses are safe and covered. That's very important to me. We're on the front line, we all put our lives at risk. I just feel that the doctors, they have to play the part.
The reality, as we said, is that many people have been traveling and gathering over the past several days. So if you're worried you may have been exposed to the coronavirus over the holiday weekend, what should you do next? Joining us now is Dr. Sion Farooq. She's an emergency physician and professor at Columbia University in New York. Thanks for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
Dr. Sion, let's say you couldn't avoid it and you were on an airplane or you took a car ride that involved a stop or two along the way. How likely is it that a recent traveler could have just caught the coronavirus?
Well, it all depends on the exposures they had. Of course, the airplane and being at the airport poses a higher risk compared to driving in a car by yourself or with someone that you live with. But I think the chances of people contracting the virus from the airplane ride are also a lot less if they have their mask on. But most we're worried about at the airports, we see pictures, crowded airports, lines, people as they're trying to get on the airplane or trying to get off. So if there was anybody symptomatic and next to them was probably coughing or touched the same surface that they touched, the chance of getting the virus from that is much higher.
And what should someone do if they're having maybe regrets, maybe just second thoughts about what they've been up to over Thanksgiving? Does everybody who has been in contact need to get a COVID test?
So if you know that you were next to a person who has COVID or tested positive for COVID, and if that person also anybody who doesn't know their status, if you are next to someone who's coughing, I think you're pretty high risk. The numbers that we have in the U.S. right now, the chance of it being COVID for anybody that has